believe we make it in the life, so not today, me not go stray. When them see me work, no matter it's an on the day. Feed and box, me keep down poverty. Want get rich and build a house for money.
Exclusive hot new mix.
Another one.
Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? About Psynosgaming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk one, peeps. Are we there with another
Brand new banger.
Why you doing, John?
But as usual, guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps. So the video we make about for sure now, it's pretty much what happened over the entire weekend from Tropical Storm ETA, whatever you want to call it. But it's not a good look for not only just Jamaica, but many countries across the world. You know, it's a bag of things are going all over Jamaica. So I have some clips, but I'm gonna put them together, and they're not really in any order like that, but I want to share with my peeps abroad, all my Jamaican people abroad. I'm gonna see really what go on a yard, you know. So there are some clips, and we just need to hold the faith and just go and pray to Father God. Alright? Make we get right tonight.
Fuck! No, sir, this is your judgment now. Fuck!
All of them people that were there, so why them not move? Why them not move? It is coming! It is coming! It is coming! It is coming like crazy! Wow, look at this! Look at this! It is coming! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my God! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my God! Oh my God! Run! Oh my God! Look at that, man! Oh my God! Man, this is crazy!
That boy on the surf, man.
What?
iPhone?
No girl, me can't afford iPhone. Me can't afford iPhone. Or make it a together.
Oh, Daddy! Outside! Look at the dog there, little your fuck.
What him a do? Him can't swim?
You mean? Who next?
When next? But I know that not him.
Them the one there walk over so Bama not to dig video thing, you know. Them can't turn up good. How are Papa there?
How are him gone?
Papa James will go off.
Yes, no. Where's Papa James then?
Wait, I done that.
Oh, done.
When I say
look down when I'm going in. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, go on. Johnny, what's it? River. Road. People watch out. Yeah, things are going to. Yeah, it was a show no go on. Show no go on. People. And then they were dying.
Jenna, come up. What's your on? Here.
You see it? Daddy. Go!
I give you a, what's your name? Etta? I give you a warm time. Good.
No, live and direct from Eastsidefilm. Blood out.
Yes, alright, that's going to come by my phone.
This is it. They're gonna every update, people. Every update me are going on. And who come out that me are here?
Go on, go on.
They were here 93. I'll go.
This is the current situation in my community. We're on this other side, which we are trapped, cannot go across unless we have to go around and go through a shortcut because the roadway has now cut off the space. So this is it. This is where it all starts from again. The water going there instead of going down to the drain down there.
Alright peeps, see all of the video them wanna see? Yeah man. From Garden Town, Bull Bay, Kingston, Montego Bay, all over Jamaica. It's crazy. It's crazy because if at the outer skirt of this storm, and it's not even a hurricane, do all of this destruction. Imagine if it was a hurricane or if it come directly over Jamaica. Jamaica been getting rain non-stop for about a month now, if not more, from various different hurricane, storm and so. But the good thing about it, them no hit with them always go around me. But guess what? The road them a mash up. Crazy landslide. People lose them life. People lose them livestock. Hotel are flood out from previous videos when I show you. So much destruction, and that does rain. And all of this destruction happen. Boy, we just have to pray to Father God, you know, and just hope for the best. And I implore everybody to check on a friend, you know, check on a friend that might live in the country area, or, you know what I mean, far up on the north coast, St. Mary, St. James, wherever. Check on them, because you never know what can happen, you know. Well, we have to just try our best to just stay safe. It's a lot of work needs to be done right now in terms of repairing and building from this. So, Prime Minister, saddle up yourself, because now is the time, you know what I mean? It's rough a road, peeps, but we just have to just go and pray and go and hold faith for the best. 2020, as I said, is definitely a year, you know, regarding the testing of our faith. Trust me, that year I really test with faith. As I just bear crosses, I just bear things happen. You know what I mean? Why? Let me know your thoughts down below though, what you think, peeps. Let me know your thoughts, and be there and just go on journey there, boy. And thank you very much for watching here. Blessings. Ashoo!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil, cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker. Big up the